Nate from Frontline Eurosports here, and we're going to talk about our Toys for Tots drive. So come on down, and we have until December 10th to give your gifts to the children in need. Help the Marine Corps, help the children, help our community. There's so many people out there in need and people that we can influence in a positive way. I've got to give a good shout out to Hank Pfister, a great customer here at Frontline, who's already dropped off quite a few toys for us. We got Ryan Johnson, one of our MOTO.MEN club members, who's already helped out with us. So I'm asking for help from you guys. Come down the front line, help us fill this box up. There's so many good toys you can do. I'm sure there's some individuals and some organizations that can come down and help us out. And look at the cool stuff that we can help these guys out. I decided motorcycles. We got Travis Pastrana. Remote control motorcycles, if you can't see a thing started. You can find cool stuff even like this 2018 BMW R1200 GS Rally, Ducati Hypermotard SP, and an RM250 for his little dirt experiences. And it's a Marine Corps event, so we got to have some weaponry in there, so we're going to throw a little Nerf gun action in there. So come on down, help us fill this box to the brim. We'll get another box if we need to. Help us here at 1003 Electric Road in Salem, Virginia. You can call us for more information at 540-387-9780. Help us, help our community, and make a big difference and positive impact in people who really deserve it and need it, especially this time of year.